Have you been dealing with a constant smell in your backyard? That might indicate that your catch basin needs a pumping service. We're the experts to reach out to. With years of field experience, we're prepared to handle any issues in your catch basin. If your catch basin is flooded with soapy water and grease, we bring our pump truck to your home, fully equipped to extract liquids from your catch basin. It's designed specifically for liquids, so we don't pump solid residues. By pumping your catch basin, you can avoid drain system problems and detect any underlying issues in advance. Contact us today for professional catch basin pumping service.